Hi guys, it's Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a cartwheel. Before we start trying to do a cartwheel, we should start by stretching our legs out to the side because you need to have your legs out to the side in a cartwheel. I'm just going to start by going into a straddle and stretching this way because you kind of need to do this in a cartwheel. Okay, and now for the other side. I like having the inside arm out in the middle as opposed to behind me because that really enforces that I'm really stretching straight this way. I don't know if I explained that well, I probably didn't, but yeah, it's good to have your arm out like this. And now down the middle. Okay, and now because like when we start a cartwheel, you'll go like this and then kick your leg up. We should just practice doing kicks like that. I am going to do 20 and just on one side in this video because you only need to do one side for this skill. Okay, and now for getting into actually doing the cartwheel, you'll start by going in a lunge like this and then going and kicking up. It's kind of hard to do in slow motion, but just because of that, I think it's good to just try and warm up by practicing handstands. And just like that, you don't need to hold them like I didn't hold that one. And they certainly don't need to be good handstands. I just think it's good to sort of practice that motion. So yeah, you can do as many as you like. I just did 2 for now. So yeah, now you should feel ready to do a cartwheel and just, yeah, start like this and kick over. And I kind of couldn't do it because I don't have a bunch of space and there's that big chair in the way, but yeah, just kind of like that.